opportunity for us to connect with the community.
Thank you, everyone, for coming out here today. We'd like to welcome you. How about an applause for all these participants? I'll tell you, this is such a great cause. What we love the most about it here in Linden, though, is it brings all of us here together. Our whole community comes out in support of this. This is a fantastic event, and I want to say thank you to all you guys for being here. I'd like to introduce, I know this is a quick stop for you guys. You guys got to get back on the road. I'd like to introduce Mayor Derek Armstead.
Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you for coming to our town. We really appreciate this. We need to let more people know the importance of this tour. This tour is about men and women who've given their lives so that we could have safer and better communities. So we appreciate all that you do for us as police officers. We appreciate you remembering those who've given their lives to make towns like Linden, Newark, Elizabeth, all towns all over the country a safer and better place for us to raise our families. So God bless you all, and continue to do what you do. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. At this time, I'd like to invite Chief Hart to the mic.
I would like to thank and welcome everyone here today. It's a special hello and a shout out to our Linden brothers and sisters who are riding. Also a special VIP, Commissioner O'Neill from NYPD. We appreciate you being here. It's a great day for the law enforcement community as we remember our fallen brothers and sisters who have made the ultimate sacrifice across our great country. Today we also honor the law enforcement officers who died in 9/11, our 37 brothers and sisters from PAPD, 23 officers from the New York City Police Department, our federal officers and our NYFD and EMS brothers and sisters. It is an honor to be with all of you today as we enter into National Law Enforcement Week, which begins this weekend. Please have a safe trip to Washington, D.C., and let us never forget our fallen members of our great police profession. God bless you. You're always welcome in Linden, and thank you for being here.
Thank you, Chief. If you notice on both sides here in front of City Hall, there's a couple banners here. The banners were made by our Special Improvement District here for Wood Avenue, Uptown Linden, and Councilman Peter Brown, he arranged all that, so we'd like to thank them. There's a couple signs out there, though. If you, any of the participants, please go ahead and put your signature on those signs. We're going to save them and kind of commemorate this event. So if you get the chance, please, before you go, just sign those banners for us. I'd like to invite Bobby Egbert. He's one of the founders here at Chapter 37. I'd like to invite him to say a few words.
Thank you, Linden. It's great to be back. It's absolutely wonderful when we ride through the streets and the community comes out and welcomes us. It really lets us know that what we do, our profession, is really something everybody appreciates. You know, we live in a world today since 9/11 with the scourge of terrorism, and it's not just what happens in New York City or London or Madrid. It's not what just happens to the NYPD or the Port Authority Police or Metropolitan Police in UK. It's, you know, last year we had the privilege of presenting the police unit to a Medal of Valor to 4 Linden cops who faced off with the Chelsea bomber and ended his reign of terror. So it can happen anywhere, all right? And now Linden stands in the annals of those great police departments that have taken up the challenge that faces us today in law enforcement. So Linden, thank you so much. Chief, thank you. Mr. Mayor, thank you so much.
Thank you, Bobby. I'd like to thank everyone who made today possible. Mayor Armstead and the members of City Council who joined behind me here. Thank you for their continued support. As the Chief mentioned, the Unity Tour is always welcome here in Linden. We love what you guys do, we love the cause, and we love what you bring to our town. So thank you very much. We'd like to thank the Union County Sheriff's Office, K-9 unit for helping us out this morning, our Department of Public Works and Public Property, our OEM, Linden Fire Department out there with the flag, and our Traffic Bureau who kind of set up this whole area for us. We'd like to thank Bobby Egbert and Tommy Kennedy for bringing you guys here today and stopping here in Linden. I know it was kind of short notice. And Wayne Hall for helping coordinate the route for us. And Lieutenant Mike Bobolski, who for the past, it's got to be 5 or 6 years now, he's head up Team Linden here, and it's grown into something really fantastic. So thank you very much. That concludes this portion of the event here today. You guys are welcome to hang out for a few minutes. The restrooms are located behind CVS there, and the tour will actually get back on the road in about 10 minutes. So please hang around and help us escort them out. Thank you.
Listen, before you return, there's a banner that we'd like as many Chapter 37 members to sign for the city of Linden. It's right in the table up front here. It would be to your left.
Left and right.
Oh, left and I'm sorry. It's on both sides of the City Hall. So please take a moment and sign your name to those banners. Thank you. Thank you so much.
If I could ask, if I could also ask Commissioner O'Neill and the Team Linden riders to please join me in front here.